Hey guys, it's Ashley from Naughty True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Pet Treater Cat Pack for January. I am only at the end of February, so I'm only really late. These are the cutest. They're $12.99. I do think I have a promo code. I'll put that down below. They send treats, toys, and fun clothes stickers for your cats and about cats, so it's perfect for cat lovers. They do also have the dog. The Pet Treater dog box, which is a little more. I think it's actually $24.95, but these are only $12.99. I'll link down below to my review. I'll link to Pet Treater with my affiliate code so you can check them out. I love this. Swifty loves it. We always get good stuff. It's definitely worth the $12.99. Alright, so our first item is from Multi-Pet. This is a little, is this a fish? Oh, it's a little fish. We actually caught my cat. Now my cat is 10, so she's not like super playful at all. But we did catch her the other night. Like there was a chicken we got. Do you guys remember the chicken had feathers coming off of it? We caught her with it. Like in the middle, it was like the middle of the night. She was just rolling around with this chicken. It was hilarious. Maybe that's when she actually plays. We just don't know it. All right, so this is catnip filled. It's genuine organic, and it's a little fish. This reminds me of something from like a storybook or like one of those weird shows, like children's shows. Pounce, swat, chase. Cats are demanding customers. Here at Multi-Pet, we know what makes them happy. Our diverse line of cat toys are designed to give cats the exercise and interaction they need while keeping playtime fun. All right, next we have, oh my goodness, I love these. These are so cute. Cats love them. And look, these have hearts. Oh, so sweet. My cats always love these. I used to have another cat, but she passed away. But she loved these too. This is from the ASPCA collection. So, and they donate 3.3 to 7% of the purchase will go to the ASPCA. Designed for fun and active play. So there's 3 here. They're cute, and my cats always like these, so I know that they're real winners. Tried and true cat toys. All right. Next we've got some It's Purely Natural. This is pure dried buffalo jerky. I think I actually have one of these from this box. And while Swifty likes it, we don't go through treats because she's on like a little bit of a diet. My cat's a little bit big. But she's all about body positivity, so... but we are trying to keep her healthy, so we have her for a long time. Anyway, I might donate these. We always take any extras and donate them to our ARL or the Humane Society. So, but these treats are glycerin-free, soy-free, grain-free, gluten-free, wheat-free. They're great for if your animal has allergies. Just saying. All right, this is our card for the month. Our insert. There's a Bright Sellers coupon. If you're into Bright Sellers. I don't even think I can get Bright Sellers delivered to me because I live in Pennsylvania. This is the winner of the Pet Award for last year. For last month, you dress your cat up and they'll feature your cat if you put them in like the little clothes they send. So there's that featured cat. Whose cat is this? I don't know. Oh, Pippi spent this winter catching up on her reading list. Look at Pippi. Isn't she cute? Oh, Pippi. All right, and then this. Business cat. I'm sorry. This is funny. This is hilarious. Is this not hilarious to you? I'm going to find something to put this on and like save it and hang it up. Like somewhere that where I will see it and be reminded and laugh all day long. For real. All right. Anyway, we're not done yet. Another bag of treats. These are from So Bright, freeze-dried natural whitefish treats for cats. We have another freeze-dried, not this company. They're like from Sassy Cat. They're these little like brown ones. Swifty loves them. I don't know why. This is whitefish. Those are like, I think they're chicken or something. But for some reason, the kids, not my kids. I won't give these to my kids. I'm telling you, I swear. Really like this kind of a treat. For some reason, the freeze-dried. I don't know if they add salt or something that kind of keeps it as a preservative. These are also made in Wisconsin. So there's that. That's everything that I received in my Pet Treater Cat Pack for January. If you're interested in this subscription, check them out down below. I'll also link to my review where you can check that out as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.